Okay, this is Giulietta, in this case it's Giulietta X. We have a problem with the three-way solenoid valve. The machine is in Russia, then we have probably a ice problem. In this case, during the transport, the valve inside, it was full of water, and something happened because when I stopped the derogation, the pump stopped and some water came out from the groupet. It means probably that the valve inside with the ice freeze and broken the valve, the magnet inside. Now we have to remove this cover and remove also this cover, because we have to remove the wire from the coil. Then we have to turn off the machine. If we try to deliver water through the group, for example, press one of these buttons, and the water came out and the wire is not connected to the coil, it means that the valve here is completely broken. And then now I have to open the machine. You have to remove this metal part, and you have to press the bottom of this panel, the left and the right, and now we can see the solenoid valve. We can look inside in the machine. We have all the electrical components on this side, and in the front we have the brew solenoid valve, and on this side we have the pump motor, pump of the pump. You have the not return valve. This is the cross. This is the OPV. This is the water charge solenoid valve. In your case, I don't think these have problem, because it can happen if you have ice into the valve, but in your video I didn't see nothing wrong for this valve for now. Then we have to do a test to check these two solenoid valve if they works. Now I have removed power from here. Remove also the power cord, and be careful if you have the machine hot, because we have to remove one wire from the coil. One wire is enough, or the phases, or the neutral, or the brown or the blue is the same. The one that you are more remove the power cord before to touch the wire. Now we have no power on the coil, on the water charge. Now turn on, put the power cord and turn on. If you press one button, start derogation, no water exit through the groupet. it means that this valve works. The passage of the water is closed. The same also for this. If in your machine, without a wire, you press this button, you start the delivery, the brew, and the water came out from here and came out from this tube, the bigger, it means that you have a problem here in this valve. Some leaking can came out, but no as in your video. Look, a small quantity of water, not like in your video. If you're lucky, we can remove the coil and we can try to open the valve, clean it, and reassemble. If you're lucky, it works. But if the eyes broken something inside, you have to change the entire. You have to change all the code, all the valve, from the valve in the left and in the right. Connecting again the wire on the coil. As we can see, with the blue wire connected, the solenoid valve works. This is the pre-infusion. This because this machine, the valve on this machine works.